A shark is coming to the Caribbean for the grand finale of the OECS Republic Bank SDM Business Model Competition.
It's all about strengthening the business development ecosystem in our region while providing entrepreneurs with a platform to connect with global investors. Be there.
Come experience the live pitch room with billionaire investor and star of ABC Shark Tank, Damon John, plus a tank of other global investors who from 30 entrepreneurs will deliver the ultimate business pitch to hook their dream investor. SDM Business Model Competition, revolutionizing the way the Caribbean does business, led by world-class mentors and business coaches, taking entrepreneurs through 8 weeks of exhilarating coaching, honing skill sets in marketing and branding, pitch deck preparation, financial literacy, business matchmaking, honing the entrepreneurial mindset, and war room strategies.
Republic Bank sees its involvement in the Sustainable Development Movement 2020 and the Business Model Competition as a way to bring opportunities to our SMEs for them to meet, innovate, network, and build new business opportunities.
It's a test of endurance, boldness, and strategy. Only the savviest entrepreneurs will survive, competing for exciting sectional prizes of up to US $20,000. Join the movement with over 3,000 delegates, virtually or in person, and catch the shark himself, Damon John, live in action. It all unfolds on September 24 in St. Lucia. The Sustainable Development Movement Summit, presented by the OECS, Republic Bank, and other global partners. It's not just a conference, it's a movement. Register now online at OECSSDM.com.
Join the movement.